Hi everyone, Christopher Paul here from Kassandra.org. Today we're going to learn about user availability management in Kassandra. User availability defines what percentage of your time you can dedicate to project work. This is essential for accurate sprint planning and capacity calculations. Let's open the user menu and navigate to the user availability page. This page shows your availability history. Each availability record defines what percentage of your working time is dedicated to project tasks during a specific time period. For example, 100% means you're fully available, 50% means you're working half-time, and values over 100% represent overtime work. I have one availability record starting from my first working day set to 50%. This means Kassandra assumes I'm working half-time on project work. However, my capacity might change over time. On the right side, you can see a calendar with every day of the current year. The legend at the bottom shows the different availability levels and their colors. Each day is filled from the bottom up to represent your availability percentage. Why do we need an availability history? Well, your capacity can change over time. You might switch to part-time work, take on management responsibilities that reduce your project time, or work overtime during critical project phases. Kassandra uses this information to accurately calculate team capacity, plan realistic sprints, and estimate project release dates. Let me show you how to add a new availability record. I've been working at 50% project availability because I was handling third-level support tasks. Good news, those support responsibilities are being reassigned, so I can increase my availability to 80% starting next month. Click the Create button. First, we select the start date. This is when the new availability becomes effective. Let's set it to June 1st, 2025. Next, we enter the availability percentage. I'll enter 80 to represent 80% availability. Now click Save to create the availability record. Perfect. The new availability record is now visible in the grid and the calendar view. Starting June 1st, Kassandra will use this new availability to calculate the number of days I need to finish my estimated tasks. For example, a task that would take me 10 days at 100% availability will now take 12.5 days. My old availability record automatically ends the day before the new one begins, ensuring accurate capacity tracking throughout the year. With the little notepad and trash can icons on the right side, you can edit or delete any existing availability record. However, you cannot delete your only availability record. Kassandra requires at least one availability record to calculate capacity properly. That's all there is to managing your availability in Kassandra. Remember, keeping your availability up to date ensures accurate capacity planning and realistic sprint commitments. Thanks for watching.